Good morning class. In today's class, I'll be discussing problem solving on straight lines. I think all of you are practicing sums from your textbook together with the worksheets on straight line. So let us see some of the selected problem from the worksheet I made for you. Before doing sums on straight line, we need to remember all different forms of straight line. I just write it here in brief because we'll be using these forms only. If we remember lines, equations of lines in terms of line parallel to coordinate axis. So this line which is parallel to y-axis, we can write as x equal to constant. What k stands for? K is the distance of the line from the origin. Similarly, if the line is at a distance k unit from the x-axis, it was from y-axis, x equal to k. Now this time y is going to be constant, but that constant we are assuming as k. So line parallel to x-axis is y equal to k and line parallel to y-axis is x equal to k. We will also remember line in gradient form. In gradient form, the equation of line is this was lines parallel to coordinate axis, and this is in gradient form, or you can say that this is slope intercept form. What is that slope intercept form? If a line has slope m, slope also you can express in terms of angle made by it with x-axis or a coordinate of any 2 points lying on the straight line. If this line has slope equal to m, that is tan theta, and y-intercept is of length c unit, this OA equal to c, assume. Then equation is y equal to mx plus c, where m equal to tan theta. It may be like this also, if 2 points are known on this line, that those 2 points be x1 and x1 y1 and x2 y2. This is x1 y1. Slope also can be written as y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Okay. So if a line makes angle with x-axis, slope is known, and angle between two lines also you have learned. Just I remind you here, this is not equation of straight line obviously, but you need to remember it. Angle between two lines. So I just remind you, if two lines have equations y equal to m1x plus c1 and y equal to m2x plus c2, and this angle be theta, then the angle between these two lines, tan theta, its tangent is given by m2 minus m1 by 1 plus m1 m2. I told you to write mod sign over there because which one greater you don't know. And for parallel lines, m1 will be equal to m2. For perpendicular lines, 1 plus m1 m2 equal to 0, that is m1 into m2 equal to minus 1 for perpendicular lines. So straight line Parallel to coordinate axis we have learned. Straight lines in gradient form we remember. Angle between two lines we remember. Let us revise the other forms of straight line. Next one is straight line which makes intercepts on coordinate axis. If the line makes an intercept of length a unit from x-axis and b from y-axis, then the line is x by a plus y by b equal to 1. This you remember. Number 4, line, equation of line in one form that if a line passing through a point and this is known point and the slope of the line is m equal to tan theta, then equation of line in one point form is, or point slope form, whatever you say, y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1, and the 2-point form, line passing through two given points. We need not know the value of theta, then theta can be determined from the given points only. So if 2 points are x1 y1 and x2 y2, then slope of the line m will be equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1, and equation of line is, this is slope, y minus y1 equal to m we can replace by this y2 minus y1 by x minus x1. Okay, these are the forms required for your applied math syllabus in class 11. But we must remember the perpendicular distance of a point from a line and distance between two if the point is given be distance between two parallel lines. If the point given be alpha beta and the line is say ax plus by plus c equal to 0, if the foot of perpendicular is m, then pm going to be equal to a alpha plus b beta plus c by under root a square plus b square. Always you put a mod sign before. Okay, so the distance cannot be negative, that's why we will be taking lines in this form. Alright, by remembering these forms of line, we will be solving equation of problems on straight lines in 2 dimensions. Let us see what kind of problems can arise in 2D on straight lines by using those forms. Another thing I will remind you, when you know the perpendicular distance of a point from a line, you know perpendicular distance between two parallel lines also. These are two parallel lines. It doesn't look like parallel lines. So these are two parallel lines. The perpendicular distance between these two lines is given by, suppose this line has equation ax, don't say a1 because they are parallel, a1 a2 will be same, that I am taking ax plus by plus c1 equal to 0. They are parallel lines, a and b will have the same value, only c1 and c2 differ. So distance between these two parallel lines m1 m2, if you write the distance, it is given by m1 m2 equal to mod of c2 minus c1. Whatever signs given over there we will put here inside mod sign by under root a square plus b square. These all I have explained in theory class on straight line. So we will remember while solving sums on straight line in 2 dimensions to apply these forms only. So let us see what kind of problem can be there. Look at the sum given here. Find the slope of the line joining these 2 points. So answering first question is very easy. Slope of line formula I reminded you, it is y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1, 5 minus 2 by 1 minus 0, that is 3. Done. Slope of the line joining these two is minus 4. Find the value of k. So slope you put minus 4, that is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. So minus 4 equal to minus 1 by k minus 7. So k minus 7 equal to 1/4. So k is going to be 7 at 1/4. Find the equation of line parallel to x-axis. Parallel to x-axis, we remember the line is y equal to constant, and that constant distance they have mentioned. It is 3 unit. Parallel to x-axis, not parallel to y-axis. 3 unit above. So from origin also it is at a distance 3 unit. So this will be of the form y equal to constant. That constant equal to 3. So equation is y equal to 3. Okay. Now let us see what kind of problem can be there in sum number 4 to 9. The worksheet already shared with you. You can take image from here also if you need. So let us see number 4 here. Find the point on x-axis whose perpendicular distance from the line is 4. Perpendicular distance formula we have just revised. It is a alpha plus b beta plus c by root over a square plus b square, that you all know. This perpendicular distance formula you all know, so we are going to apply it. But there is something more given for this sum, where the point will be lying on x-axis. So let us apply the concept here. A point on x-axis is of the form a comma 0. So you take point on the x-axis. Let the point be p a comma 0. Distance from this line, you will be replacing x by a, y by 0, minus 12, take it on the same side, by under root 4 square plus 3 square equal to 4. Therefore, 4a minus 12 by 5 mod is equal to 4. Now if you remove the mod sign by using the property of mod function, you have to put plus minus on right side. So it gives us 4a minus 12 by 5 equal to plus minus 4. So 4a minus 12 equal to plus minus 20. So here it's going to be 4a equal to 12 plus 20, 32, 12 minus 20 minus 8. So a has two values over there, 4 and minus 8. You must take care of solving this sum, because one very important step is there. When you are removing mod sign, you need to plus minus sign on right side. Now let us see number 5, how to do it. In number 5, angle between two lines is pi by 4, slope of one line. That angle between two lines formula you know, that slope m is equal to tan theta, that m, don't say m, it is just tan theta, angle with theta, then tan theta going to be equal to m1 difference m2 by 1 plus m1 m2. You better put a mod sign before, you always find the positive angle here. So angle between two lines is pi by 4. So tan pi by 4, that theta is given pi by 4. So tan pi by 4 going to be equal to m1 difference m2. The unknown one has slope. This slope m1 you take 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 minus that m2 we don't know. You take minus sign, no problem, because mod is there. 1 plus half into m. Therefore 1 equal to 1 minus 2m2 by, but again there is a mod sign. To remove the mod sign, we need to put plus minus on left side this time. Therefore 1 minus 2m2 by 2 plus m2 will be plus minus 1. This implies 1 minus 2m2 equal to 2 plus m2. One condition, so that m2 going to be minus 1/3. And another one is, by taking plus sign we got this, by taking minus sign this will be minus 2 minus m2. So M2 will be equal to C. So the answer in this case is minus 1/3 and 3. Angle between two lines pi by 4. Slope of them one is half. Find the slope of the other line. Because if there is a line for two different conditions of the other line, it is possible that angle is pi by 4. Line may be this way, line may be this way. Okay, that's why two different slopes is there. One of them is positive, one is negative. And here we got angle between them as 90 degree because product of slopes of these two lines. Suppose this is M1 and this is M2. No. So this is the unknown line. Angle between. So this is known one. The base one is known. This is M1 and M2 may be this or M2 may be this. That's why once we got 3 and next time we got minus 3. So slopes of line by obeying this condition this time we got two values, that is 3 and minus 1/3. Let us take the next problem. Find the value of k if the straight line is perpendicular to this straight line. This is sum number 5, sum number 6. Find the value of k if the straight line is perpendicular to this line. So we use the condition of perpendicularity of two lines. So we find the value of k from first, k from second. What is k from first? You take all the terms containing x together. 2 plus 6k x plus 3 minus yk plus 4 plus 12k equal to 0. Oh no, this we need to get x together and then y together. So x together means 2 plus 6k, y together means 3 minus k into y, and then 12k plus 4 is there. This is equal to 0. So slope of this line M1 is going to be, transfer it on right side, it will be 2 plus 6k by k minus 3. And slope of this line M2 going to be what? This is again by the same method, transfer x on right side, minus 7 by 5. Since they are perpendicular, now put M1 into M2 equal to minus 1. This implies 2 plus 6k by k minus 3 minus 7 by 5 equal to minus 1. So let us solve the value of k from here. So minus minus you cancel, 7 into 2 plus 6k equal to 5 into k minus 3. Therefore 42 minus 5k, that is 37k, equal to minus 15 minus 14 minus 29. So k going to be minus 29 by 37. Now the next one, that number 8. What is the question here? Without using Pythagoras theorem, show that this represents the vertices of a right triangle. Very easy to do. You just draw a triangle because you don't know which angle is going to be the right triangle. Later on you will decide which angle is right angle. You take this point as 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 3. So that these points represent the vertices of right triangle. Which angle 90 degree, that we need to find. You find slope of AB. Slope of AB is 5 minus 2 by 4 minus 1. This is 1. Slope of BC, that is 5 minus 3 by 4 minus 6. 2 by minus 2, that is minus 1. Slope of CA, this is 3 minus 2 by 6 minus 1. Now it is obvious that slope of AB into slope of BC is equal to minus 1. So this angle is going to be 90 degree. Okay. So this triangle these three vertices are the vertices of a right triangle. This is also proved, because when you prove AB into BC, product of slopes minus 1, it shows that AB is perpendicular to BC. This one, the distance between two parallel lines, the formula you have learned, already shared with you, that M1 M2 is equal to C1 minus C2. Better you take difference, or if you put mod sign, it's not a problem. Root over A square plus B square, and signs will remain preserved. If it is minus 9 given, you have to take minus 9 here only. Suppose you are taking this one first line, so this is C1 and this is C2. All of you can see that C1 is 9 and C2 is, we preserve the sign here. If you don't preserve the sign, you will get wrong. But there is another problem, another issue here. The problem is that, so here C1 I have taken 9 and C2 I have taken 1. But there is another problem here, that lines, this one, second line is not expressed in proper form, because it looks that they don't have the same value of A and B. To get the desired form, we need to divide this one, both sides, by 2. So you write, it will be 2x. You divide by 2, so this line can be written as 2x minus 3y plus 1 by 2 equal to 0. Now it's okay, because C1 is 9 now and C2 is not 1. This is going to be C2. If it was minus up, C2 you have to take minus up only. If you are minus 9, C1 you have to take minus 9 only. Don't forget that. So C1 minus C2 this time is 9 minus half by under root 2 square plus minus 3 whole square. So this is going to be 17 by 2 root over 13. Or you can write 17 root 13 by 26. This is the answer. Okay. In sum number 10, we will find the application of same form. Only thing, we will divide both sides by 2 and find the perpendicular distance between two lines. Next one, find the equation of lines passing through this and making an angle 30 degree with y-axis. This is a very interesting problem. Lines. So far, the questions you have faced, line. Sometimes you got 2 lines, but here they are asking you for 2 lines. Line passing through 1, 2 and making 30 degree with x-axis. What do you mean? Why 2 lines will be there? The point 1, 2 somewhere like this. Suppose this is the division and this is 1 and this part is 2. So this is the point, say 1, 2. Now, if you take a line this manner, then this line makes 30 degree with x-axis, with y-axis. The line can be taken this manner also, where it makes 30 degree with y-axis this manner. But from the drawing you can see that slope of 2 lines are changed. The point remains the same, but slopes are changed. This point is A1, 2. This is one line L1, this is the other line L2. We need to find this angle, then slope can be determined. It's very easy. This angle 90 and this is 30, means this one 30. So exterior angle is sum of two interior opposite angle, 90 plus 30. So this is 120 degree. So slope of this line is tan 120 degree. This is nothing but minus root 3. What is the slope of this line? L2. Slope of this line is AM is equal to tan. If this angle is 30 degree, this is 90, this is going to be 60 degree. So it is tan 60. Tan 60 is nothing but root 3. So line in two cases will be y minus 2 equal to minus root 3 x minus 1. This is number 1. And y minus 2 equal to root 3 x minus 1. This is number 2. Alright. So lines can be obtained by drawing the position of the point and two different cases easily. Let us do next one. Find the equations of altitudes of the triangle whose vertices are this, this and this. Number 12 we are going to solve. equations of altitudes of triangle. I'll find just one altitude and tell you the method of finding orthocenter also from here. So these vertices are 7 minus 1, minus 2, 8 and 1 comma 2. So equations of altitude of the triangle you can find by drawing perpendicular here. Draw a perpendicular here. AL is the perpendicular. How to get the equation of AL? It's very easy to find. You all can see that AL is perpendicular to BC and slope of BC we can find easily. What is slope of BC? You write MBC in this form, that is y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1, 2 minus 8 by 1 plus 2. This is minus 6 by 3, that is minus 2. So this part, this line has slope minus 2. This line must have slope of AL. As their product of slopes minus 1, this has to be half. So equation of AL is found. Equation of AL is what? Y plus 1 is equal to half into x minus 7. Equation of AL. Then we find the equation of BM. We will do one additional part. I told you the point of intersection of these perpendiculars. Then orthocenter problem also solved simultaneously. Orthocenter is the point of intersection of these altitudes. So let us find the equation of BM first. For that we will find slope of AC. Slope of AC is what? Slope of AC is 2 minus minus 1, that is 2 plus 1, that divided by 1 minus 7, that is minus half. So what is slope of BM? Slope of BM will be 2. So equation of BM is going to be equal to y minus 8 equal to m into this, that is 2x minus y plus 12 equal to 0. So this is the other altitude. This is first one. 2y plus 2 equal to x minus 7. This minus 9 equal to 0. You all can say that equation of Cn also, I mean that altitude also can be determined, but I am not interested to find that. Better I explain another method here. Cn can be determined by same method and they are concurrent. Class 9th in geometry, you have already studied the concept of orthocenter. It is point of intersection of the altitudes. So any two of the three equations, AL, BM or Cn are solved, you can get the coordinate of the orthocenter. Now, right now as I got two equations, Cn equation by the same method you can find. As I got two equations, AL and BM, let us find the orthocenter now by solving. So what I am going to do, multiplying this by 2. So it is 4x minus 2y plus 24 equal to 0. We have rewritten equation 2, then we are going to subtract plus minus 3x equal to 33. So x will be minus 11 and y going to be what? 2x plus 12, that is minus 22 plus 12. This is equal to minus 10. So orthocenter now going to be orthocenter O as what? That is minus 11 comma minus 10. All of you understand how to find the orthocenter. So 3 altitude problem is solved, but I have solved the third altitude. This is your homework to find the third altitude, but orthocenter how to find, that you have understood now. To find the orthocenter we need 2 altitudes. We already got 2 altitudes, so we can find. Let us see next problem. If the lines concurrent, this is a concept in straight line in 2 dimension, concurrency of 2 lines. If they are not parallel, always concurrent. But 3 lines, can they be concurrent? Three lines also can be concurrent. If we remember this diagram, they are passing through same point, then lines are concurrent. There may be four lines, fourth line also will pass through same point, fifth line also, they are all concurrent lines. This is the point of concurrency. So to find the point of concurrency, we just use a simple concept of finding point of intersection of two lines first and then putting that point of intersection in the third line. So if I draw the diagram for you, those three lines, I am drawing line L1, line L2 and line L3. They asked you to prove concurrent. I am assuming, they asked you to find the value of k, assuming they are concurrent, it's fine. So line L1 is 2x plus y minus 3 equal to 0. L2 is 5x plus ky minus 3 equal to 0. And the third one is 3x minus y minus 2 equal to 0. Now, to get the point of concurrency, we need to solve any one of the two equations. And then to find the value of k, we can use the concept of third equation. You all can see, solving will be easier for line 1 and line 3 to get this point where they meet. Since they are concurrent, this point will lie on line L2, from there k can be determined. So let us solve line L1 and line L3 first. L1 you write 2x plus y minus 3 equal to 0. L3 you write 3x minus y minus 2 0. Just add these two. 5x equal to 5. X is 1. Then put x equal to 1 here. Y is going to be 1. So this point you got 1 comma 1. Now how to get the value of k? See, the line L2's information not used yet. But if they are concurrent, that point 1 1 must lie on this line. So put x equal to 1, y equal to 1. Therefore, k is going to be equal to minus 2. You got the equation, you got the value of k in this manner. Next, how to find equation of line passing through this point and perpendicular to the line through this and this. Line passing through this point and perpendicular to this, it's very easy to find. 2 points you take A, 2, 5, B minus 3, 6. Line passing through the point, this point B, minus 3, 5, draw perpendicular here. AL is the perpendicular. So, equation of line passing through this and perpendicular to this can be determined, because you know how to find the slope of line AB. You find it. Slope of AB is 6 minus 5 by minus 3 minus 2, that is minus 1 by 5. What is slope of AL? Product of slopes minus 1. The slope of AL going to be equal to 5. Then minus 1 by 5 into 5 is 1. That's why. So what is equation of AL? Equation of AL is y minus 5 equal to m. That is 5 into x plus 3. Alright. In sum number 15, we will be using perpendicular distance formula, but this time it is very easy to calculate because they have asked you to find distance from the origin. So what I am going to do, first the given line, this line, I will be expressing in general form. So you take AB as the LCM, BX plus AY equal to 1. So BX plus AY equal to AB. Now, its distance from origin, the formula for distance of a line from a point you know, and distance from origin also discussed in class. It is c by root over a square plus b square. So what is c here? That is AB. So P is going to be AB by under root b square plus a square. To get this form, we make square p square by a square plus b square. Then you take the reciprocal. 1 by p square is taking reciprocal. P square means p square by 1. So if you take the reciprocal, it will be of this form. So 1 by p square is 1 by b square plus 1 by a square. Okay. This is 1 by b square plus 1 by a square. It is approved. Straight line passing through this segment intercepted between the axes is bisected at the point. Then how to find the equation of the line? Number 16. Straight line passing through this point and segment intercepted between. So 2, 3 lie in the first quadrant. Better you take the line this form. This aim is 2, 3. This point you take a, 0 because intercept form will be of great help this time because a and b value you need to find to get the equation. Now aim is the midpoint of AB. So you start this manner. Let the line be x by a plus y by b equal to 1. And what is a and b over there? A is the x-intercept, b is the y-intercept. So you put a plus 0 by 2. This is the midpoint. 2, a equal to 4. Similarly, 0 plus b by 2 equal to 3. Therefore, b equal to 6. So a is 4 and b is 6. So line equation, AB is equation you can write now. It is x by a plus y by 6 equal to 1. Further simplification is not necessary. You do it's fine, but not required. Keep this form. Next one, find the vertices of triangle formed by the lines which two lines are perpendicular to each other. It's very easy. This problem you all can solve. Slope you find m equal to 1, and for this line slope m equal to -1, product is -1, so these two are perpendicular. And vertices of triangle formed by the lines, how to find? You just take the triangle here ABC. This line is y minus x equal to 0. This one say y plus x equal to 0. This is y minus 1 equal to 0. You can solve even mentally. These two lines are passing through origin. This point is 0, 0. Here y equal to 1 is fixed. So x equal to y. So 1, 1. And this vertex, you put y equal to 1 there. Then x is coming minus 1. This is minus. So it is done. Which two perpendicular you understand? These two lines are perpendicular, AB and AC, because they are product of slopes -1. And the three vertices also determined. AB is the midpoint of line segment between two axes, so that the equation here, this question is little bit confusing for you. I will say confusing because normally we take equation of line in the form x by a plus y by b equal to 1, but they have given AB is the midpoint. So you change your strategy, you take this point as h0 and this point as 0, k. So equation AB, let AB be x by h plus y by k equal to 1. Now midpoint is given a, b. So how to get that? A is going to be h plus 0 by 2. B is going to be 0 plus k by 2. So what is h here? And what is k here? K is 2b. So line equation you have assumed, you just put it there. Required equation is x by h is 2a, y by k 2b equal to 1. Therefore, x by a plus y by b equal to 2. So So this way problems can be solved. Let us see number 19. How to get number 19? Vertices of triangle given, length of perpendicular drawn from A to BC. This is not a difficult one because you know how to find equation of altitude that I have explained in one sum. ABC is the triangle. A is 2, 3. Draw a perpendicular here. AL is the perpendicular. So vertices of triangle A is 2, 3. And BC, B you take 4 minus 1 and this is 1, 2. Therefore, slope of BC first you find. Slope of BC is y2 minus y1, 3 by minus 3, that is minus 1. So this has slope 1. So equation of AL is going to be what? Y minus 3 equal to 1 into x minus 2. This is equation of AL, that is x minus y plus 1 equal to 0. Now to get the foot of perpendicular length, to find AL, we can use distance formula also. BC's equation you find and find distance formula. But this one I wanted to show you by a bit different manner. So, okay, equation of AL we found. Now we need to find coordinate of L. So you write equation of BC here. What is equation of BC? Slope is minus 1. So y plus 1 equal to minus 1 x minus 4. Therefore x minus y plus 3 equal to 0. This is number 2. So you solve these two equations, x minus y. But there is a problem here. Equation of AL and BM, how they can be same? No, they are not same. It is x plus y. X plus y and then minus 3 equal to 0. I was wrong in this calculation. It is minus 3 equal to 0, and this you put here x plus y minus 3 equal to 0. Number 2, you solve these two, you will get the value of L from their distance formula. 2x is 2, so x is 1 and y is 2. So L coordinate you got 1, 2. Foot of perpendicular you got. So by finding foot of perpendicular, you can write AL now. What is AL? AL going to be equal to 2 minus 1 whole square plus 3 minus 2 whole square. So this will be root 2. The perpendicular distance you got. Now a question can arise this manner. What is the image of the point on the line BC? Image of which point? Image of the point 2, 3 on the line BC. How to get the image? This is very interesting and a very important problem for you also, that how to get the image of the point. So one thing, this point C and L coincide. Have you seen that? Because both are coming 1, 2. So it's fine, there is no issue that we found, but before solving you did not know anything. So let us see how to get the foot of perpendicular here. I am keeping the sum unchanged. That point L I found. The image of the point A, to find this, we will use the concept of little bit of reflection which you did in junior class science. So A dash is the reflection. This length AL must be equal to L A dash. So L is the, let A dot be the image. A dash be the image. Okay. Since L is the midpoint of, it has to be the midpoint. Little bit of sense of image I am using here. L is the midpoint of A dash. Therefore, that A dash, if I take alpha comma beta, value can be determined now. Alpha plus 2 by 2 equal to 1. So alpha going to be 0. And beta plus 3 by 2 equal to 2. Therefore, beta going to be 4 minus 3, 1. So A dash, this image we found, which is nothing but 0, 1. Alright. I'm going to solve this problem now, 23, in the worksheet. In what ratio line joining this and this is divided by the line x plus y equal to 4? So let us assume that this line be x plus y equal to 4. And these 2 points are minus 1, 1 and b is the point 5, 7. Okay. Line joining this and this divided by this line. Line joining which 2 points then? A and B divided by this. So their point of intersection is point CC. What you are going to find here? You are going to find AC is to BC, AM is to N. It's very easy to find. We can use little bit sense of section formula. So that point C going to be what? By assuming this ratio be M is to N, that C going to be equal to N into 1 plus M into 5 by N plus M. And next one, N into 1 plus M into 7 by M plus N. So coordinate of the point C is going to be 5M plus N by M plus N, 7M plus N by M plus N. Alright. Now this point at C lies on what? It lies on, so we substitute there. In place of x we put this, in place of y we put this, 5M plus N by this plus therefore take M plus N on right side, 12M plus 2N, adding, multiplying, cross multiplying and simplifying, we get 8M equal to 2N. So M is to N is 1 is to 2. Done. Now the same manner, in what ratio line segment joining this and this divided by the x-axis, you will assume that this point C be a point on x-axis. Then C's coordinate will be what? X comma 0. This y coordinate will compare to 0 to get the section form. To get the ratio in which the x-axis divides. Next question, find the equation of line whose y-intercept is -3 and perpendicular to the line joining. This is very easy, already discussed when I was discussing theory with you, because that y-intercept means this is the value of C and AM you can get from here, y2 minus y1, that 8 by -1 minus 8. And this line, perpendicular line, has slope what? 1 by 8. So equation of the required line is going to be y equal to mx plus c. C is -3 they have given. Okay. Next, find the equation of line which cuts off intercept 5 unit of x-axis and distance of 3 unit from origin. This is not a difficult one. 26, which cuts off intercept 5 unit on x-axis and this perpendicular distance is given as 3, and this point has coordinate 5, 0. Okay, how to get the equation of line? The line passing through 5, 0, you can use the intercept form and then distance from origin. Let the line be, this point coordinate you take 0, b. So let AB be x by 5 plus y by b equal to 1. So what is its distance from origin? that c equal to 1 by under root, you can put mod or not, 1 by 5 square plus 1 by b square. That is a alpha b beta plus c by root over a square. But what is a here? That is 1 by 5. What is b here? That is 1 by b. That's why we use this one. Now find the value of b, then it is done. So 1 by 5 square plus 1 by b square is 1 by 3 square. 1 by 9 minus 1 by 25. 9 into 25, 2 to 5. 25 minus 9, 16. So b is going to be 15 by 4. And by putting b here, we can get the equation. That's to find the equation of line only. So required equation is x by 5. This implies 4y by 15 equal to 1. So take LCM, 3x plus 4y equal to 15. It's going to be like this. Alright. Now next one, if the lines are concurrent so that they are in AP. Concurrency sum, already one sum is done. You find the point of intersection of these two lines, put in the third line. Then they will be concurrent. From there you will get the condition to be equal to a plus c. You need to prove to be equal to a plus c. Use the condition of concurrency first. Solve these two lines. And those points of x and y you substitute there. Then equation will come out. Concept of sum number 28 already I explained when I was doing the theory portion. Just equation of line passing through this in parallel to this, how to get. This I have explained. There are two ways. You write m as 2 by 3, then y minus 5 equal to 2 by 3 into x minus 4. There is another way to get it. Let the line be, this I had explained, 2x minus 3y plus k equal to 0, pass it through this point, then you can get. Equation of right bisector concept already explained. Equation of line passing through this such that intercept on y-axis, intercept. This is application of intercept we might not have done. So let us do it now. Number 30. So what you are going to do there? You are going to find line through this, y-intercept exceed. So start this manner, let the line be x by a, y by b equal to 1. Given that b is equal to a plus 4. Okay. Given that b equal to a plus 4. Now, by putting b equal to a plus 4, this is x by a. Y by a plus 4 is 1. Since it passes through the point 1, 3, so what do you get? If it passes through the point 1, 3, then you use the condition, that is 1 by a, 3 by a plus 4 is 1. So this implies 4a plus 4 equal to a square plus 4a. So this will give us the value of a. A is plus minus 2. If a equal to plus 2, b 6. For a equal to minus 2, b 2. So two lines are there, x by 2 plus y by 6 equal to 1. X by minus 2, y by 2 is equal to 1. Then find the equation of line parallel to this at a distance 5 from origin. Very easy question. You start this manner, let the line be x plus 4y equal to c. Then distance from origin is c by under root 1 square plus 4 square equal to 5. Mod sign. Therefore, c will be plus minus 5 root 17. So line will be x plus 4y equal to plus minus 5 root 17. Now how to get the equation of line passing through 1, 3 making 45 degree with this line 32. Here also two lines should be formed, and the concept already explained with you, so that when you are removing mod sign you need to put plus minus sign over there. You must put plus minus to get the value of m, two values of m. This is not a difficult sum, line passing through intersection of these two and parallel to this line. So you will be solving these two to get their point of intersection. 3x, if you add them, 3x is minus 5, x is minus 5 by 3, and y is going to be 2x plus 2, so minus 4 by 3. Line parallel to this line can be taken as line parallel to this. Let the line be 3x plus y plus c equal to 0. Now the point of intersection you got, so this point will lie on this line. Put x equal to minus 5 by 3, y equal to minus 4 by 3 to get the value of c. 15 plus 4, 19 by 3. So required equation is 3x plus y plus 19 by 3 equal to 0. If these 3 points are collinear, get this, just put slope of this equal to slope of this, you can solve it easily. P is the length of perpendicular from origin. This sum also we have done this kind of sum just now, so you can try. In 37, condition of parallelism and perpendicularity proof we have done in theory portion. You can go through the video again so that you will understand. Then equation of line passing through these curves of intercept on coordinate axis such that their sum is 14. Not a difficult sum. You assume that let the line be x by a and that a plus b equal to 14. So b is 14 minus a, pass it through the point 3, 4. So 3 by a, 4 by b equal to 1. So a plus 42 equal to, therefore, a square minus, so this will be a minus 6, a minus 7 equal to 0. Two values of a will be there. So two values of b will be there. That is 8 and 7. So two lines are possible. That is x by, if we put it there, x by 6, y by 7, 1, and x by 8. No, x by 6 plus y by 8. 6 and 8 are paired. 6 plus 8 is 14. 7, 7 paired. So there will be x by 7 plus y by 7 is equal to 1. And the next one, find the equation of line passing through this, make equal angles with the lines. This is an important question. You all can try it. Equation of line making equal angle with this and this. So this is the line, this angle with theta, this is also theta. These two are given lines. L1 say 5x and this is L2 3x minus 4y plus 7 equal to 0. This line passing through the point 4, 5 given and this tan theta given. Tan theta no equal. There only this condition given. You assume that slope of line be m. Slope of this line is 3 by 4. You all can see slope of this line is 5 by 12. So tan theta equal to mod of, I am finding line tan theta between these two lines first. What is the line? So this is going to be 3 by 4 minus m, that divided by, and again tan theta from this side, it is going to be mod of so this is mod of 3 minus 4m by mod of 5 minus 12m by 12 plus 5m. You remove mod sign but put a plus minus sign on LHS or on RHS. This plus minus 5 minus 12m by, so what you can do there, don't put mod sign again. What you can do there, you take plus sign once to get the value of m. That value of m, if you know, then equation of line is what? It is passing through 4, 5. So you need to get this equation y minus 5 m into x minus 4. So you get the value of m here, once by taking plus sign and then by taking minus sign. Okay. You all try. All the best for solving all the remaining sums. Thank you.